Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, can Shiba Inu hit 1 cent in 2 years, or less? Key points: Shiba Inu rallied as much as 121 million% last year. In order for SHIB to gain an additional 43,000% in 2 years, a few things need to happen. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Though it's a widely touted price target on social media, hitting 1 cent is highly unlikely. SHIB tokens delivered historic gains in 2021. Is an encore performance in the works? Between the March 2020 pandemic trough and January 2022, the stock market delivered what might be its strongest bounce from a bear market bottom in history. Despite this historic rebound, cryptocurrencies have run absolute circles around the stock market over the past 2 years. According to data from coinmarketcap.com, the aggregate value of all digital currencies has soared by more than $1.7 trillion since March 2020, equating to an increase of better than 1,150%. While Bitcoin and Ethereum logically receive a lot of credit for this move, they comprise a combined 60.5% of aggregate crypto market value on a combined basis. Its meme coin Shiba Inu, minus 1.26%, that's played a key role in driving new investors into the cryptocurrency space. Shiba Inu produced a historic gain in 2021. Shiba Inu's lure within the crypto community has a lot to do with its jaw-dropping return in 2021. But in less than 10 months, these same tokens were changing hands at 0.88. Removing 6 zeros after the decimal point resulted in an intra-year gain of more than 121 million%. Even after a sizable pullback over the final 2 months of the year, Shiba Inu delivered gains in the neighborhood of 46 million%. Put another way, investors who put a couple of dollars to work at midnight on January 1, 2021 would have been millionaires by the end of the year. Shiba Inu's historic rally came to be as a result of increased visibility, social media momentum, and crypto market dynamics. In terms of the former, Shiba Inu was listed on numerous new crypto exchanges last year. Also, decentralized exchange ShibaSwap was launched in July, which improved liquidity and allowed holders to stake their coins to earn passive income. Few crypto campaigns generated more buzz than Shiba Inu in 2021. As investors, we've witnessed social media platforms like Reddit and Twitter used to temporarily pump securities. It just happens to be a lot easier to move digital currencies with social media mentions than it is to move publicly traded stocks. Lastly, SHIB benefited from cryptocurrency market dynamics. Whereas it's relatively easy to short sell a publicly traded stock or purchase a derivative, e.g., option, on a stock, it can be quite difficult to bet against cryptocurrencies not named Bitcoin. Some crypto exchanges don't even allow short selling. With Shiba Inu coming out of nowhere to skyrocket in 2021, it created a buy bias in the meme coin's favor. Could SHIB push to 1 cent by, or before, May 2024? But peruse Reddit, Twitter, or other social media platforms, and you'll see that SHIB holders don't believe their token is anywhere close to a peak. They're looking for an encore performance that eventually takes Shiba Inu to 1 cent per token, perhaps within the next 2 years. The $64,000 question is, what would it take to deliver a nearly 43,000% increase in token value by May 2024? First off, we'd likely need to see considerable coin burn take place. Coin burn describes the act of sending tokens to a dead, inaccessible blockchain address. Once these tokens are taken out of the circulating supply, it can, in theory, make each remaining coin that much more valuable. Last year, Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, who'd been gifted roughly half of SHIB's 1 quadrillion token supply, burned more than 410 trillion tokens by sending them to a dead blockchain address. Although we're not going to see another 410 trillion coins burned at the click of a button, significant coin burn would need to take place to reduce Shiba Inu's circulating coin supply of 549 trillion, per CoinMarketCap. Another key to Shiba Inu launching into orbit, once again, is the upcoming public rollout of Layer 2 blockchain project Shibarium. Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain, which is a fancy way of saying that it's constrained by the high transaction fees and occasional slow processing times that plague the popular Ethereum network. Shibarium is specifically designed to reduce transaction fees. Although Shibarium could make SHIB a more attractive payment option for global merchants, its primary purpose is to facilitate blockchain-based gaming. Developers have been clear that they want to create non-fungible token, NFT-based gaming, as well as sell digital plots of land, known as Shiba lands, in its own version of the metaverse. It's imperative that transaction costs drop to make the buying and selling of NFTs economical. 1.47 billion Shiba Inu burnt within 24 hours, 21.60 billion SHIB burnt in 7 days. 1.47 billion Shiba Inu burnt within 24 hours, 21.60 billion SHIB burnt in total since SHIB Burn Portal launch. The recently released SHIB Burn Portal is getting a super crazy response from the community, as over 1.47 billion SHIB tokens have been permanently removed from circulation during the period of the last 24 hours. As per Shibburn.com's recently released data, a mind-boggling total of 1.47 B SHIB, worth $32,622, has been burned through 146 separate transactions in the last 24 hours, by making use of the newly launched Burn Portal. However, the burn rate for SHIB declined by -16.92% compared to the previous day when 2.03 B K9-themed tokens were sent to the Inferno address through 159 separate transactions. Besides this, the first-ever SHIB-themed fast food restaurant, Welly, comes up with the future burn plans for Shiba Inu. Italy-based fast food company officially disclosed that they aim to contribute towards SHIB burns in different ways in the near future, like they will allocate 2% of the total net profit collected from all the stores for burning SHIB along with some portion of franchise fees. Recently, Welly has officially granted the Shiba Inu community full 15% ownership of the Welly company. The company announced that this ownership percentage will go directly to Shiba Welly wallet, which is supposed to be controlled by the community through votes. This means the community would have the power to decide through Doggy DAO votes using Bone, another token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, whether they want to use this percentage or a part of it for burn, rewards, or to invest in Welly's expansion. Shiba Inu community gets 15% ownership of Welly restaurant. Here's what that means: the Shiba Inu community will take part ownership of the company. The Shiba Inu community will take ownership over 15% of Welly, the SHIB-branded fast food restaurant. The Welly fast food chain announced this as its final utility for the SHIB community, which also includes SHIB burns. Welly has already stated that the Shiba Doggy DAO will play a key role in some of its decision-making, with this being a more concrete statement of how. Here's what it means. Shiba community to get Welly benefits as the seventh and final utility announced by Welly. They said, "We're honored to grant the SHIB decentralized community a full 15% ownership of the Welly company." It also expanded further on what this means. Welly said this percentage will be aggregated in a Shiba Welly wallet and will include profits from all Welly activity. The Doggy DAO will then control the use of these funds, with the DAO being able to choose to burn SHIB using this, or do whatever it wants instead. As such, this means that Bone holders, the governance tokens used in the Doggy DAO, will hold this ownership. However, we aren't yet sure whether the 15% ownership also means 15% of the profits go towards the DAO. Nor do we know whether this means the Shiba community owns 15% of shares in Welly, or could sell them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.